US dollar JPY Forex pair. And what we're going to be reviewing today here is reaccumulation on the chart. So as you can see, we were here in an uptrend, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. And what we're going to do is we're going to re-look back. It's not here anymore because I got done with the trade, but what I wanted to show you was an entry that I got right here. God damn, why is it freezing up like that? There we go. Alright, and my TP was over here at the green line, and the stop loss is at my red line here. And that was about an 87 pip trade on reaccumulation. And please ignore the Skyrim music. I like it for ambience. And so this pattern right here, the cool thing about this pattern is that this actually comes from a textbook pattern and from the Wyckoff methodology. It's called reaccumulation, and it looks like this. I'm actually going to show you guys. Yep, of course, right when I need to do something. All right, let's see. I think this one is it. If not, then I'll show you guys later. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to show you guys later, or on Discord here in a second. Hold on, give me one moment, and just load this up. You can fast forward if you want in the video. It's fine. Just fast forward at this point until I actually get here. It is. Okay, so this is the one you just saw. So this pattern right here is a pattern that occurs on the most. This is the biggest pattern I see on most pairs, is the reaccumulation Wyckoff schematic. And so this was another US dollar Japanese yen I had previously on the 30-minute. This one that you just saw is on the 15-minute right here. You see this? The 15-minute. And this one over here, US dollar Swiss franc 30-minute. Buying climax or AR, ST, blah blah, and then we bought from our big demand zone right here, and you can't see it because we're not on the exact time frame. This is a 15-minute demand zone. So yeah, I just want to tell you how this basically works. So what I do first is I look for where the trend is, and then I identify my schematics, and this is actually part of the Wyckoff methodology. That's the trading method I trade. And then I use supply and demand, gaps, order blocks, blah, blah, blah. And so to do this, you need to understand market structure. So up structure or a bullish trend would be a high, low, higher high. And that right there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1 low, 1 high, 1 lower high, and 1 higher high. So that would be, since we have both of those, an uptrend or a up structure. And the reason why all of these pieces of structure are valid because this low created this high. This lower high broke this past right here, this past high. And it's the same thing when you're going down. It's high, blah, blah. And so the key now is the structure. I'm not going to tell you the time frame. I'm not going to tell you the exact time frame because that is specific. Not for these, but for just the structure overall. You can use some time frames. Like I'll tell you some. Like some are 15-minute. You can use a 15-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame, blah blah blah. But whatever time frame you guys like that works for you works best. But you don't really have to do all this crap like the buying climax AR. This is just my way I teach and my way I do it. And so what you could do is you could just take what I'm saying, the structure part of it, and you could apply your supply and demand. So if you're going down and you're looking to make money taking sell trades, in this case right here on the top, you would look to take trades above this 50% equilibrium of this high right here and this low. And the reason why I say above, you want to take sells above when it's going down instead of all the way down here is because this represents price and the value of price and the supply and demand of price. And so if you're just gonna sell when it's at the bottom, that's just stupid because it has to come back up before it goes back down. It's like, would you rather sell an iPhone when it's at a cheap price, or would you rather sell it at the higher price to get the most profit? It's like that kind of. And so basically, you want to take sales in the higher areas of the range rather than the low areas of the range, because what will happen, like I said again, the price will break through and retest. What the hell? Price will fucking break through and retest and go all the way here. And if you had a trade here and if you're going like down, for example, say you were taking a trade right here, I'll try to draw that little trade shit, that box, and you were trying to look for it to go the opposite. Yeah, you would have got stopped out because you weren't aware of market structure and market cycle. Because these little events that I have drawn here, that I trade, this little specific shit, this is based on understanding market structure and where the market's going and the flow of capital. And I have fundamental data that I look at, but I'm just talking about this in the trade I took. And so yeah, I only trade 3 pairs. I trade US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Swiss franc, and Euro USD. I chose them for specific personal reasons because I like to understand what I'm trading rather than have a bunch of pairs that I don't know what's going on. And so it actually increases my profitability because I have less pairs and I can actually study the fundamental data easier and know what's going on in their actual country without having to read thousands, like hundreds of news articles from all these different currency pairs that I trade. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video on that. I hope you guys are all enjoying your summer and having a better summer than I am. If you need anything, there's ebooks in the comment section, description. Feel free to message me on Instagram. I'll help you with any questions. I do have a community you guys can be part of if you're interested. You don't have to join. It's just an option if you want to be around like-minded individuals. We'll have like entrepreneur talks in there. There's private videos. There's a whole chart gallery just like this that shows you all these trades I take instead of watching my videos every single day. There's all kinds of benefits. It's all in the description. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a DM and I'll answer you. Yeah. But all right, guys. Peace.